Hi everybody, I want to give you a construction update and finished product. Took me a little while, but I'm pretty happy with it. Got me a nice new parking lot and a road. I think it turned out okay. I'm happy. It's not perfect, but I'm not perfect, but I like it. The Ace Hardware store one I did by hand. I cut the pieces out, even though they were already in stickers. Cut them out, peeled them off, one by one. The ones by the gas station didn't turn out too bad. I used the template because I wound up being about the same size, so I thought I'd save some time. But the only problem was, I think the paint guy that did the lines on the lot, I think he spent a little too much time over here at the bar. As you can see, all the equipment guys are celebrating. They're all at the bar. Meanwhile, racing goes on the Layout Speedway. But back to the corner. As you can see, put the wind turbine back in its rightful place. Move some signage. And that's my parking spots. Hope you like it. I do. Okay, everybody. Dennis B. Trains signing off. Have a good evening.